PA Home was established in 2009 and has intelligent manufacturing bases of 80,000 square meters in China and 15,000 square meters in Jakarta, Indonesia, with an annual production capacity of 200,000 sets. We have multiple intelligent cabinet and door and window production workshops with over 10 fully automated Industry 4.0 production lines. We have invested millions in developing the intelligent design and production integration system, which integrates design, production, and quality control. This significantly reduces manual operations and human errors, ensuring the accuracy and completeness of every project. All our panels have been rigorously tested and certified by authoritative institutions, including China Wooden Products Export Certificate, National Standard E, and F Grade Environmental Protection, Japan F for Star Environmental Protection, France A Plus Product Certification, etc. Our 10,000 square meter intelligent warehouse utilizes a smart location management system with 9 component categories managed separately. Navigation and positioning within the warehouse, along with QR code identification for receiving and dispatching goods, ensure complete and error-free delivery. PA Home offers comprehensive full house customization services, including cabinets, aluminum doors and windows, wooden doors, wall panels, and bathroom series, providing a one-stop solution for your home living needs. Our showroom is located in Foshan, covering an area of 3,600 square meters. It offers customers an intuitive experience and professional service. PA Home has a professional team of over 350 people and has established multiple subsidiaries in the US, Indonesia, Australia, and Dubai. PA Home has over 400 exclusive stores worldwide and has successfully completed more than 42,000 projects. Our products are exported to over 80 countries and regions, covering more than 250 cities globally.